Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see YouTube subscribers if you created a YouTube channel and you want to check your subscribers. So first step, you need to open YouTube and make sure that you log in into your account. So once you log in into your account, click here and you simply need to go into the YouTube studio. So once you are in the YouTube studio, you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see recent subscribers. So you simply need to click here, see all, and here you can see all your recent subscribers in 7 days, in 28 days, in 90 days, in last 365 days, and in the lifetime. You can select rows per page up to 50 as well, and you can see your subscribers here. And the second method, you can see your subscriber count. If you want, you can see your subscriber count from here, that how much subscribers you are gaining on your channel per day. So this is a process. I hope you like this video. Thank you.